Hello all, welcome to session 7 of QA training. In this session, we are learning roles and responsibilities of a software tester. Software testing is more than just finding the defects. Software testing can be stated as a set of activities which are performed to verify whether the application is designed, developed and working as per the customer requirements or not. Generally, roles and responsibilities of a tester may vary depending upon the company and the project he is working. But here we can discuss about the general and important roles and responsibilities of a testing engineer. Analyze. One of the most important responsibilities of the software tester is to analyze the requirement using the software requirement specification and business requirement specification documents. Testers would have a major role to verify if the requirements are testable or not. Then the other responsibility is test plan. Testing process starts with the preparation of test plan. It will be prepared by the test lead. As a tester, it is your responsibility to take part in the preparation of test plan. In the planning and preparation phases of the testing, tester should review and contribute to the test plan. A test plan is a document detailing a systematic approach to test an application. Scenarios. Testers also have the responsibility of creating test scenarios. Test scenarios is a concept which provides one-line information about what to test. Test scenario presents a series of actions that are associated together. Test scenarios are prepared to make sure that the end-to-end functioning of the software covered for your testing. The next responsibility is test cases, which is very important responsibility of any software tester. Software tester writes test cases for the application which we are going to test. Software testers will use test scenarios, software requirement specification and use case documents as a reference to come up with the test cases. Before preparing the test cases, it is very necessary to have an idea on the application workflow to come up with the effective test cases. The basic objective of writing the test cases is to validate the testing coverage of the application. There is no assurance that the person who authored the test cases will execute them. So, while preparing the test cases, see that test cases are simple, easy to understand and all the steps were in the proper sequence so that it is easy to execute them. Test scripts and data. If it is necessary to automate the application, based on the requirement, we can automate the application. Preparation of test scripts is very important in the automation process. This is done by the software tester. In addition, test data is the data which is used to test the application. Test data may be provided by the client, or if it is necessary, testers have to prepare the test data. During the execution of test cases, testers use test data and test the application. And also, we have to make sure that test environments are also available for the testing. One more responsibility, executing the test cases. Executing the test cases is one of the important phases in testing. Execution is nothing but running the test cases on the application. The test cases should be executed in the same manner whatever is available in the test case document. Testers execute and log the test, evaluate the results and document the problems found. If there is no time to execute all the test cases, testers have to execute the high priority test cases first, and then, if the time permits, go with other test cases. This is the most common task of any software tester. As test execution begins, the number of testers often increases, starting with the work required to implement tests in the test environment. And during the execution, we will be tracking each and every test case with the status pass or fail. If expected result is matching with the actual results, we will make the test cases pass, else we will make the test cases fail. Next responsibility is defect tracking. Defect tracking also is very important responsibility of a tester. Defect tracking is the process of finding the defects in a product or in a software. Defects found during the process of testing should be tracked by the software testers. The defects are entered into the bug tracking tool for better maintenance. Once, if the development team fixes the defect, testers have to retest the application and make sure that the defect is fixed properly. And one more responsibility of a tester is status report. Status report will contain the complete information about the testing process, about test case results, about your defects. All the information will be provided in the status report. It is very important to have the status report at the end of your test cycle. As a software tester, you will play an important role in the development of any application. Once a project reaches a certain stage of development, it's their role to ensure it works exactly as it should. Software testers have an increasing responsibility in the team to understand and own quality themselves. So these are all the different responsibilities of a software tester. Thank you all, and we will meet in the next session. Thank you all.